How to change fonts in WhatsApp or write stylish text on WhatsApp. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that you guys will simply go to your browser. It works on iPhone, Android, Samsung. The process was same. You simply go to Google. Here search for WhatsApp font. So I will simply search for WhatsApp fonts. Once you search for that, you guys will simply see WhatsApp fonts. So simply click on that first website. Now here you guys will simply see enter your text here. Simply, I want to write something like you are welcome. So once you write your text here, you guys will see the text in a lot of font. So you will simply select the font, your favorite font. Once you press on that text will be copied. Now go to WhatsApp on your phone. So I will simply go to WhatsApp. Here you will simply paste that text. After that, click on send, and here we go. That font was copied and pasted in WhatsApp. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.